Hey, welcome to my 8.5 by 11 binder recipe album that I've been working on, and I'm here today to do a final share with you guys. So welcome, welcome. I'm Vanessa with Scrapping It Up, and in a few videos before, I had showed you the recipe mini album. Now I'm going to show you the 8.5 by 11 binder album that goes in to any 3D ring binder. Okay, so I used the same principle, but I had to design it just a little bit differently. When you do purchase this tutorial, okay, you will get the mini album, the 8.5 by 11 binder album, and you will get the Love Story mini album. This one is not geared towards recipes. It is a little bit smaller and only has 2 pages in it. I will be doing another video with this one, okay? But you get all 3 when you purchase this tutorial, okay? So I hope you'll want to go purchase it so you can make one of these albums. It's just fabulous, fabulous. All right. So the binder album, I put mine in the We Are Memory Keepers one, okay? And it does have the 3 rings here, okay? So so if you was doing a 2-ring binder or something, you can just make your own, where your holes need to go and everything, okay? All right, so we'll just pretend it's in the binder, okay? I did decorate it with the Simple Stories Beautiful What's Cooking collection. We had just 1 paper pack and then 5 more pieces of the designer cardstock, and then I think 10 pieces of the plain Color Vibe cardstock, okay? And that's what we used to decorate. Now this one I did have to emphasize because I didn't have quite enough, okay? So here on the binder attachment, I had to use this is Recollections. It's from a long time ago, but I thought it kind of went with it. But anyway, you have a pocket. This flips open. You have a pocket here. And this is from that same pack of paper. I mean, it's, I think, probably way back from 2011, maybe 2013, when Michaels first started coming out with their cardstock. So you have a pocket and a pocket. And then this flips open here, and you have a pocket here for recipe cards. Okay. So nice big pocket and a pocket here. Well, these won't fit in that pocket, but okay. And then you have a nice big pocket here. So I did have to design it just a little bit different because we can't have anything opening towards the binders, because otherwise you can't open it, completely flat. So then you flip it over to the back side, and you have a flip out, pocket, and then you have a belly band and a belly band and a pocket. Okay, I should. Let me see which ones. We'll just use this one. And both these are decorated differently. This is like an interactive recipe card where I scored them both sides and attached them. But yeah, you have a belly band here and here. And then nice big pocket here. Oh, this album, I really love how this turned out. So then this one flips out. Pocket. And again, another belly band. And then another nice big pocket for those, you tear stuff out of a magazine. you want to keep them, this is what these are, for. The rest of these are, made for holding recipe cards or photographs. Okay, so then that flips over. These pages are all made the same. So then this flips, and then these flip. Now this one has the pocket. Instead of having the belly band, this one has the pocket here. Okay. And then here's eeks. Everything's, I should have went ahead and put it in the binder. Everything would have stayed together a lot more. And then that flips. So then you have this. And then pocket. That flips open. Now we go back to the belly bands again. Okay. And the nice big pocket. And again, this thing is probably going to hold well over 200, maybe even close to 300 recipe cards. I mean, it's just packed full. And then we have this side. It opens up. Pocket. And then again, your belly bands and your nice big pocket. Okay. And then it flips over to the back side. So again, you have a pocket here and a pocket here. That flips open. You have this nice pocket here, pocket. And a nice big pocket here and a pocket there. So yeah, when you finish this, you will be a pro at making pockets, because this album is just jammed packed with pockets. I mean, it's crazy pants. And you get 4 pages, so that fits in our binder pretty nicely, and it'll give you plenty of room for photographs, for recipe cards. It makes a great gift for someone, or a wedding gift to give you the bride, full of your recipes and some family photographs. Beautiful. All right, so I hope if you have any questions, please ask. I hope you'll want to purchase this so you can make it for yourself, or make it as a gift for someone. And yeah, so that is all I have for you. So we'll see you in the next video. All right, as always, keep scrapping. Bye.